Welcome back to Talk Jamaican. You probably did not know that I have several books about Jamaica on Amazon.com. Another beside Talk Jamaican that I have is called Hidden Gems of Jamaica, and that tells you about beautiful places off the beaten path where I have hiked and ridden to with my friends. And what I'm going to do for you is not only teach you how to speak like a Jamaican, but tell you about some of those places. So subscribe to this channel, like and share it to your friends. And remember, after I talk to you in Jamaican, I do give you an overview in English. So along with your Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com, you'll follow me. Don't worry about it. Have a great day. You ever see a Duppy yet? Me never see none yet, master, and me no really know if me believe in a them too tough, but me no really want to see none. Cause boy, me did hear so much Duppy story that me afraid of them. Anyway, me and my friend them, we used to like ride bicycle from town. At Kingston we call town, we ride, go all over the place. We go swim in a river, swim in a sea, eat some good food and all them things there. So we find some interesting little place. Me say one time we are ride go one place near Noisy River. I go tell you about it in another video. In Manchester. It start in Trelawney but it end up in Manchester. I want nice river to swim. Anyway, somebody go tell us about this church in one place near Mile Gully. That's in Manchester, They say I want Duppy Church. They say the people them abandon the church because Duppy come in, they can run them. Me never know say Duppy could run people out of church. Anyway, so we decide say we want to go look on it. Massa, when we go down there, I want triangle church, but no roof, no window, no door. Cause a long time the people them left it, I did one Anglican church me here. But the graveyard look like it. Somebody look after it. So I don't know if I did Duppy them clean up the graveyard because it look nice. But in the church now full of bush. I daylight, me and my friend them going there, but true say we hear say a Duppy church. I have in Duppy. Everybody kind of afraid, So as we go in there, is like a one bird or rat bat or something fly. And when we hear this sound, boy, everybody frightened. Yeah, man, a serious thing. We don't have a real Duppy or if a Duppy bird or a Duppy bat. So we afraid, of course. So me never turn the long. Me did take some picture of it. But something, a serious thing, all the picture them me take down at that church. Because if you follow me blog them, so me love take picture everywhere me go. And all the picture them when me take down at that place, they never come out. Me know how one picture to show you. Upon the internet, me have to go. Get one picture of the church to make me thumbnail for the video. Yeah, serious thing. It's a Mile Gully. If you go down there, anybody you ask, where Duppy Church, they will show you how to get there. But me wouldn't go there at night if I mean. But if you call yourself Duppy Conqueror, you can go there at night time. Me never even feel good for walking there at daytime, much less night. Anyway, you ever see Duppy yet? Let me know if you ever see it. Walk good. In the previous section, I was explaining that although I had never seen a ghost, I tend to be rather scared of them as I heard so many scary stories as a child growing up. Anyway, it was a good excitement when my friends and I used to ride from Kingston into the Jamaican countryside to swim in the sea, the river, to enjoy ourselves. And we were once heading to a place called Noisy River. Very, very nice river. I'm going to tell you some more about it another time. Where you can swim. That river starts in Trelawney and it passes through Manchester. Anyway, we were going to the Manchester section to swim. And somebody mentioned that there was a haunted church in a place called Mile Gully, which is close by. So we decided, being adventurers, we wanted to visit it. The story is it was an Anglican church and the people abandoned it because of so many experiences churchgoers were having with ghosts. I've never heard of that in my life, but that is the story. We went there. It's a sturdy looking concrete building, but the roof is off, the windows are off, and it really looks eerie. And the entire inside is bushes. So a couple of us went inside, and as we went in, we heard some noises in where the roof was, but I imagine those were probably birds or bats. But because we heard it was a haunted church, nobody really tarried. We were all scared, so we kind of did not stay there too long. But interestingly, although the church looks so eerie, the burial ground, the cemetery attached to the church is very well kept. I don't know if this is the ghosts who are keeping it so nicely. But the interesting thing is, I took a number of photographs when I went there, because if you follow my blogs, you will see that I take numerous photographs wherever I go. And would you believe none of that place came out? That's Duppy Church in Mile Gully, Manchester. Hope you're enjoying these blogs, these YouTube videos. Have yourself a wonderful day.